With Valentine's Day next Friday, you might want to plan ahead and give the gift of music.
To show us how it's done, we sent Dallas Ontiveros to Bishop Square with the Singing Valentines. Morning, Dallas.
Hey, Christine and Kelly, that's right. We're still here live at Bishop Square with the amazing men of the Sounds of Aloha Chorus. You guys just saw them perform in the last half hour of Take Two, but in between, we found a woman named Janice. She was just walking around downtown. She didn't know what she was doing, but I went ahead and just pulled her over here in the corner because you're about to get a very sweet surprise. Now, let me ask you first, have you ever been sang to and serenade to?
No.
Have you ever wanted to?
Yes.
Do you want to this Valentine's Day?
Yes.
All right, so are you ready for a great surprise? All right, now let me go over here real quick. We're building it up. Mark, what can she expect?
Well, you know, if you get somebody to get you a singing Valentine's, we're gonna get four good-looking, well, we're gonna get four guys to come out to come and sing for you on either Thursday or Friday at either your workplace or at home or a restaurant that somebody's gonna take you to a nice dinner to. Four guys sing you two songs, gonna present you with a real rose and a card, and sing you two beautiful love songs.
And what's the best way to contact them?
If you wanted to get a singing Valentine's, you can go to HawaiiSingingValentines.com, or you can call our hotline, which is 262-7664, which spelled out 262 song, or go to our chorus website, which is thesoundsofaloha.org.
And KHON2.com. So with that being said, you guys line up. Janice, I'll be right here to get your reaction.
You're all of the world to me, my love. You make everything so fine. Oh, you make my dreams reality. And with you, life is divine. It's so divine. Say it's only a paper moon sailing over a cardboard sea. Why would it be make-believe if you believed in me? Yes, it's only a canvas sky hanging over a muslin tree. Why would it be make-believe if you believed in me? Without love, it's a honky-tonk parade. Without love, it's a melody in a penny arcade. It's a Barnum and Bailey world, just as phony as it can be. Why would it be make-believe if I had all? It's not make-believe. I've got all your love.
Woo! That was amazing right there. Janice? Janice,
Yes.
your thoughts?
Beautiful.
Beautiful,
Really nice.
right?
Yeah.
We were speechless, we were jamming, we were grooving. Such a fun treat, right?
Yes.
So definitely recommend them to everybody.
Yes,
There
of
you
course.
go. Awesome. Thank you so much, Janice. And of course, to the men of the Sounds of Aloha Chorus, you could definitely check these segments again on our website at KHON2.com. And until then, reporting from Bishop Square, Dallas Ontiveros, singing back to you ladies in the studio.
Thanks so much, Dallas. And wow, they were so good.
Yeah, and he was being humble. He was like, four men, four handsome men.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
what you're getting. And if you can't sing, you know, that's a good way to gift the gift of
There you
music.
go. If you can't serenade her yourself, someone can. All right, well, coming up next, how to make your own Valentine's arrangement and how to make those flowers last a long time.
We were just talking about this. Our expert gives us tips in our Get Dirty segment live in studio when Take Two returns.